Finally, some good news. The S4 is getting some new shoes. As you can see behind me, some of them have already been placed in their respective positions, and these are the wheels that are going onto the S4. And I went with a different spec but the same size wheel in terms of radius. I really like the spec. I really like how they look. So without wasting any time, these are the new wheels for the S4 V8 for the next foreseeable future. These are 18-inch wheels by 8.5 J with the offset of 29, so which means they're going to look nice on the S4. I really like the design on these wheels. It's a more modern design as opposed to the OEM S4, and I'm sure they will give the S4 a very nice look. So let's put them on the car. Alright guys, I'll catch you tomorrow morning just to finalize everything. Yeah, we worked until late, but I'm happy with the results, so I'll catch you guys tomorrow. It's been a couple of days since we fitted the wheels. They really look nice. I enjoy how they sit on the car. It's quite an aggressive offset, and this is what I was going for both front and rear. As you can see, it creates that nice stance when the car is parked, and this is what I was looking for. I really enjoy these wheels. I just came back from a shop for wheel alignment and balancing, and obviously I'll drive around just to see how they settle in, but so far everything seems to be fine. This is a new look. This is a nice look that I've always wanted for the S4, and I'm happy with how it came out. Finally, the wheels are on the car. I'm happy. I really like it. It really looks nice. Honestly, I don't wanna lie. It's giving the car that nice wide stance, especially with the aggressive offset and the width of the rim as well. So I'm happy. Comment down below. Let me know what you think. With all that being said, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel because there's tons and tons of content coming soon. And click on that bell to be notified as soon as a new video gets uploaded. Until then, I'll see you guys in the next one.